So I'm Dr. Lutzmin, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I'm going to take the topic Test Objective Identification for the subject Software Testing. First, what is Test Objective Identification? Uncover as many errors or bugs as possible in a given product. Demonstrate a given software product matching its requirement specifications. Validate the quality of a software testing using minimum cost and efforts. Generate high quality test cases. Perform effective tests and issue correct and helpful problem reports. Of testing, detect faults, establish confidence in software, evaluate properties of the software. What may be the software properties? For each and software property will vary from software to the test objective identification. You should use a SMART criteria to ensure that your test objectives are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. That's why it's called SMART. You should also align your test objective with your project requirements, stakeholders, quality standards, test scope, focus, criteria, metrics, outcomes, and analyze the project requirements. So, understand what the software is supposed to do, how it will be used, and what are the function non requirements. Identify stakeholders and quality standards. So stakeholders are nothing but the people or group who have an interest or influence in the software, such as customers, users, developers, managers, regulators, and testers. Quality standards are the guidelines and criteria that define the expected level of quality and performance of the software, such as usability, reliability, security, compatibility, and so to define the test scope and focus determines what features, functions, and components of the software will be tested and what will be excluded or deferred. The test focus determines the aspects, attributes, and perspectives of the software that will be emphasized, such as functionality, usability, security, or performance. So you should define the test scope based upon the requirements, stakeholder, quality standards, and formulate the test criteria. So what the test criteria define? It will give the conditions and rules that determine whether the software meets the requirements and quality standards, such as pass or fail, acceptance, or coverage. The test metrics define the qualitative and qualitative data that will be collected and analyzed to assess the effectiveness and efficiency of the software testing process, such as defects, test cases, test execution time, or customer. So test outcome describe the observable and verifiable changes and improvements in the software testing process will produce, such as reduced errors, increased functionality, enhanced usability, or improved performance. The test benefits include intangible and tangible and intangible. So impacts that the software process will provide, such as increased customer satisfaction, reduced cost, and quantity as well. Document test objective. Final step is to document the test objectives in a clear, concise, and consistent manner in your document test plan. You should align your test objective with the requirements, stakeholders, quality standard, what will be the focus, then criteria, metrics, outcome. You should review and validate your test objectives with the stakeholders and your test team and update them as needed throughout the software testing process.